So we've been talking about the Volvo and the tech tool in great depth, but just because it's not a Volvo doesn't mean that we can't do similar diagnostics. So we've got the TEXA tool here that we can do the DAF, the Mercedes, all the other makes, and literally I'm going to pass you over to Geoff to just give you an idea. Although it doesn't go in as great depth, Geoff can give you a bit of an insight.
As you've seen in the previous video, we've got a dedicated Volvo diagnostic machine. It can do all sorts of things. With this fella here, we can do trucks and vans and the cars. Now, because we're not a dedicated DAF dealer or Mercedes dealer, we can at least look up the fault on here, and so that when it goes off to the dealer, they've got some kind of idea. We can give them the fault codes and take pictures of the fault codes, so then it can get sorted out as soon as possible. Obviously, we know the customers are sort of quite demanding. They want the trucks back as soon as possible, so the quicker we can get that sorted, the better for us all.
Some of the items you can actually repair on here as well, can't you, on the vehicle? But not as in depth as we could on the Volvo.
I mean, as with anything, you know, you got your PMIs in between that time, might be in a fault, and in that time the customer's brought it back to us, not had time to get a PMI done. So it might be something very simple that we can check the fault on it, cancel it, then we get it road tested, and then recheck the fault. So at least when the customer's got it, we know that we've got no comeback for that thing. All right?
Okay. So hopefully that's been quite interesting for you today, and gives you an in-depth on how deep we go into the vehicle's health checks. So if you want any further information on any of our pre-owned vehicles, click on the link below. And that's a goodbye from me.
Goodbye for me.